Hello? No? You want to go swimming or what? I'll pick you up. I got a car. Oh, no, my mom does. Mia! Yeah? Remember you were texting me? No, you don't remember I was texting you? Or you were texting me? Oh, well, okay, well, Mia is the
Mexican one?
the Mexican one. You know who I am. Stop playing. Yeah. Oh, where's your brother Jock? Where's Signia? Where's Kayani? Where's all them? Hey. She goes, I know that now.